Hi guys, I hope you all will be fine. Today I am gonna tell you that how bank earns money. This is actually a business model of bank. In actual, they make cash from the interest on debt or the debt interest. The financial institution makes a take advantage of the difference among these inter high fees, additionally known as hobby price and fold. Banks can provide both secured or unsecured loans. The bank can use the cash for your financial savings account to make loans at a higher interest fee, like vehicle loans at 3%, mortgages at 5%, scholar loans at 10%, and credit scores cards at 18%. Many checking debts, funding bills, and credit paying cards rate month to month provide expenses or renovation fees. The money owed themselves don't require a great deal upkeep, particularly with the upward thrust of online banking. Instead, the money from account fees generally covers the financial institution's running fees. You are probable noticed that wherever you are making a withdrawal from an ATM at a bank in which you do not have account, a further fee is carried out. I was saying that you have probably noticed that whenever you are making a withdrawal from an ATM at a bank in which you do not have any account, a further fee is carried out from time to time up to $3 or $4 consistent with withdrawal. This is every other manner banks earn cash. Like any other enterprise, for a financial institution to remain solvent, it needs to make sure that its belongings outweighs liabilities. A financial institution liabilities fall into two classes: hobby charges and non-hobby fees or charges. Let's talk about interest costs. Banks pay interest charges to depositors, making up maximum of financial institutions' costs. Non-hobby expenses are a financial institution constant operating charges, additionally called overhead. These overall about 15% of the bank's overall expenses. Stock trading entails buying and promoting shares regularly in an attempt to time the market. Diversified banks make money in a variety of different ways. However, at the core, banks are considered lenders. Banks generally make money by borrowing money from depositors and compensating them with a certain interest rate. The banks will lend the money out to borrowers, charging the borrowers a high interest rate and profiting off the interest rate spread. Additionally, banks usually diversify their business mixes and generate money through alternative financial services, including investment banking and wealth management. However, broadly speaking, the money generating business of banks can be broken down into the following. The number one we have it is interest income. The number two we have is capital markets income. The number three we have is fee-based income. Interest income is the primary way that most commercial banks make money. As mentioned earlier, it is completed by taking money from depositors who do not need their money now. In return for depositing their money, depositors are compensated with a certain interest rate and security for their funds. Then, the bank can lend out the deposited funds to borrowers who need the money at the moment. The lenders need to repay the borrowed funds at a higher interest rate than what it's paid to depositors. The bank is able to profit from the interest rate speed or spread, which is the difference between interest paid and interest received. Banks often provide capital market service for cooperators and investors. The capital markets are essentially a marketplace that matches business that need capital to fund growth or projects with investors with the capital and require a return on their capital. Then we have the last one, fee-based income. Banks also charge loan interest fees for their services. For example, if a depositor opens a bank account, the bank may charge monthly account fees for keeping the account open. Banks also charge fees for various other services and products that they provide. Some examples are credit fee cards, checking accounts, saving accounts, mutual and defined revenue, custodian fees, etc. And that's it for today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it, press the subscribe button and then the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.